So, Jeff, the big question today is, do you think there'll be any cheesy graphics being shown on the board? Or is that just for the holiday week?
We've got Peter
Whoa!
Priestner of Pascack Hills, Jeremy Bavaro from North Hunterdon, Andrew Sullivan from Haddonfield, Richard Plank from Downingtown West, Connor Corkwood from Xavier. That's
Or is that Xavierian?
That's
Xavier? Okay.
It says Xavier, but I don't think it's Xavier, Connecticut.
No. This
Stephen
that's
Confessor
Xavier, New York.
Chable, Matthew McCabe also from Xavier. Stephen was from Danbury. Kyle Reardon from Howard. Sean Kerrigan from Bronx High School of Science. Ethan Wellborn from Haddonfield. Matthew Sullivan from Haddonfield. Kyle Jones from Howard. Josh Breard from Bishop Hendricken, which is in Rhode Island. Kendall Lanier from Kennett. Justin Schwartz from Xaverian. Jesus Ortega from McKee, Staten Island. Donald Jellig from Haddonfield. Gavin Rossi from Minnesink Valley. And Jake Gogarty from Bayshore.
Okay, so it's Justin Schwartz, I guess, who took it out really.
He's the variant,
with the Xaverian there.
The variant with the big X, as opposed
Xavier down there is in the light blue and tops and purple shorts, but Xaverian, the big X.
Yeah, and in Connecticut, Xavier would be black and white, I think. Xavier with an X, usually a small X, not a big X. Separate the different Xaviers.
Xavier, a powerhouse both in Connecticut and in New York. They've won, not in the last couple of years, but they did win 3 cross-country championships in the CHSAP in a row 2 years back. Xavier in Manhattan. Of the Catholic schools, you got Monsignor Farrell out here, and of course Notre Dame Academy for the girls' side, Monsignor Farrell for the boys' side, and Xavier is an Archbishop Malloy or Fordham, big ones in Manhattan, I guess, and Fordham Prep for the Bronx.
So Justin Schwartz from Xaverian was your leader, now being passed by Stephen Confessor Chable from Danbury High School in Danbury, Connecticut. And I think their uniforms are the reverse of the girls. They've got the orange in front and the blue in back, and the girls, didn't they have the blue in front and the orange in back?
Well,
unless I got it wrong.
Yes,
or
the side for sure.
But Danbury's colors are orange and blue.
Oh yeah, the girls and the boys are not similar at all. No. Whoa.
Oh.
A little.
Looks like we could have a lead change. You got 4. Yep, we've now got a lead change. Trying to make out who's
back on the lead. Boy, he's been battling this whole race. He looked like he was kicking hard in the beginning, but he's staying with it. Into the lead for the bell
is that a Minnesink?
Jones?
I don't think so. Trying to make out who's got this amazing sprint here. It says McCabe, it looks like. Matthew McCabe? No, this can't be.
No, maybe it's a Haddonfield? Rossi?
I thought it was Rossi of Minnesink. But let's see the number here. I think that's Gavin Rossi.
Rossi of Minnesink, okay.
Yeah, Rossi's coming across on a 442. Confessor Chable from Danbury coming in second.